Have you ever wondered how silly YouTube channels like this make over $50,000 a month? It's actually not about the video, although a great video can definitely help you go viral. But the biggest reason why channels like this print money is because they have solid systems in place to create and upload YouTube videos. There are hundreds of ways to make YouTube videos, but most of the methods aren't easy enough for you to do again and again, so that you can consistently upload videos and get results. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the most foolproof, easiest ways to make tons of viral YouTube shorts. With this process, you can make passive income from an automated YouTube channel, even as a total beginner with no experience. By the end of this step-by-step video, you'll know how to pick the perfect niche, create videos without filming a thing, schedule posts, and track performance to keep improving. If you want an even deeper, more detailed blueprint with expert advice on how to get billions of views from your YouTube shorts, click the link in the description for the complete breakdown. You'll find all the specific systems, workflows, and processes to make your YouTube shorts go viral so that you can make unlimited passive income. Step 1. Choose a niche and video ideas. Your niche is just the theme or topic you'll focus on for your channel. The best niches are ones with high interest that are easy to produce content around. Think of things like motivational quotes, quick productivity hacks, fun facts, or health tips. These topics are evergreen, meaning they're always relevant, which is great for keeping consistent views. Think about what you're interested in and the kinds of videos that make you stop scrolling. It always helps to pick a niche that you're genuinely interested in because you can come up with better ideas. If you're not sure where to start, I've got a few tricks to help you brainstorm. Head to Google Trends. Just type in Google Trends on your browser and open the site. Once you're there, type a broad topic like health and hit enter. Now, Google Trends will show you related topics and how popular they are right now. You can even set it to worldwide or choose your specific country to see where interest is highest. If a topic has been growing steadily, you know there's an audience waiting for it. Once you've picked a niche, it's time to choose some video ideas. A simple trick for this is to use YouTube's search bar. Start typing in a keyword for your topic, like productivity, and let YouTube auto-complete it. Those suggestions show you exactly what viewers are searching for. If you type productivity tips and you see phrases like for moms or at work, it shows you potential angles you could focus on, which we're going to use for specific video ideas. So for me, productivity tips for moms can be a great video idea. Make a list of these video ideas as you research them. You can even use ChatGPT to come up with video ideas too. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to stick to the productivity niche. I can head over to ChatGPT and type in a prompt like this. Once I've made a list of video ideas, I'm going to pick one and then move on with making the video for this. Step 2. Write the script. Again, I'm going to use ChatGPT to make the process faster and easier. In the prompt bar, I'm going to type this in. Give me a short, engaging script for a 60-second YouTube short on 3 productivity hacks for moms. Do not include directions. Just give me the text. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a simple script you can start with. If the text is too long or too short, don't worry. You can add instructions like, make it more concise, or make it funnier. I recommend copying and pasting this into a Google Doc, then adding your own personal touches to make it more human. Step 3. Use AI to create the video from text. Now that we have the script, let's move to actually creating the video. We're going to use Pictory AI for this. This is where the automation really comes into play, because Pictory will literally create the whole video from your script. I'll show you what I mean. First, go to the Pictory website and create an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says Text to Video. Click on that and you'll see a text box. Copy and paste your entire script and enter your video name above it here. And then click on Scene Settings and adjust it to Create New Scenes on Line Break. Then, make sure that there's a line break after every sentence at least. This will make it so that there's different footage every few seconds, which makes the video less boring and keeps people watching for longer. Then, click Proceed. After a few seconds, you can see all the scenes with the footage that Pictory's AI picked out. They're not all going to be accurate, but that's okay. You can just click on Visuals and pick different footage from the options here, or search for a specific clip and add it in. Once all your scenes are set, we're moving on to adding the voiceover. Pictory has different AI-generated voices that you can choose from. Click on Audio, and then click on Voiceover. Pick a voice that makes sense for your video. I'm going to go for this first option with the woman, because it fits my video idea, which is targeted at moms. I'm just going to click on Generate and Apply. At this point, I can also add background music by clicking on the Background Music tab and picking the track that best suits my video. I'll go for this one. Now, to change the captions, I'm going to head to Styles, and I'm going to pick something different that stands out more. I'm just going to scroll down and pick this pink bubble option. Now, I'm going to drag the caption up so that it's in the center of the screen. I'll do this for all the scenes. When you're happy with everything, click on Format and change the aspect ratio to YouTube Shorts 9:16. Choose 1080 video resolution. Preview the video by clicking the Preview button up here. Once you're happy, click Export and download the video file. Step 4. Post your YouTube Shorts. Posting regularly is key to growing your channel, so let's use a scheduling tool to make this part easier. Go to a tool like Buffer or Hootsuite and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Once you're in, connect your YouTube account by clicking Add Channel and choosing YouTube from the list. Now upload your video file and add your title, description, and hashtags. For a title, keep it simple, like 3 quick productivity hacks you need to know as a mom. In the description box, briefly summarize the video, but make it engaging. Something like, here are 3 easy ways to boost your productivity. Perfect for busy moms. Then, add hashtags like hashtag productivity tips, hashtag life hacks, as these help YouTube categorize and show your video to the right people. You can use ChatGPT to help you with this by typing in a prompt like this. Choose a posting time that makes sense for your audience. Generally, late morning and early evening work well, as more people are online. Set the time, hit Schedule, and now you're set to post consistently, without needing to be online all the time. Step 5. Optimize and improve what you're doing now. Let's talk about checking your video's performance. Once your video is live, go to YouTube Studio and find the Analytics tab. Here's where you can see how many views your video is getting, how long people are watching, and if they're clicking away early. Look at the audience retention graph specifically. This graph shows you the exact point where people are dropping off. If you notice a steep drop within the first few seconds, it might mean your intro isn't grabbing people's attention fast enough. Try making it more exciting or getting straight to the tip without any delay in future videos. And pay attention to which topics or styles get the best engagement, meaning the highest views, likes, and comments. When you spot a topic that gets more engagement, make more videos around it, because that's a sign your audience likes that content. So, we covered picking a niche, scripting with ChatGPT, creating videos in Pictory, scheduling posts with Buffer, and tracking performance using YouTube Studio. If you have any questions about this process, or if you want to learn more specific prompts and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside the Scale Society, we share exclusive tips and updates on growing automated channels, making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's a great way to network with and learn from successful people, get feedback, and find inspiration. And again, it's totally free, so come hang out with us there. Which niche are you thinking about for your YouTube Shorts channel? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.